Nature has always been a source of inspiration for humanity, and one of its most awe-inspiring features is mountains. These majestic landforms, with their towering peaks and rugged terrain, are a testament to the power and beauty of the natural world. Mountains are not only visually stunning, but they also provide vital ecological services, from regulating the climate and water cycle to supporting a diverse array of plant and animal species. However, mountains are also fragile ecosystems that are threatened by climate change, human development, and other environmental pressures. As we continue to explore and appreciate the wonders of the natural world, it is important that we do so with a sense of responsibility and stewardship, to ensure that these natural treasures are protected for future generations to enjoy. Thanks for watching and learning about the importance of mountains and nature. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel for more content on the wonders of our planet.